Hi, and welcome to DIY with Suffolk Public Library. Today we're going to be talking about some things that you can do with your babies at home that help with fine motor skill building, sensory, and I'll even show you our homemade sensory board. So first off, we're going to talk about some fine motor skill stuff. So this is just a regular old cardboard box that we cut a hole out of, and as you can see, it's been well loved by some babies, but we wrapped it in paper, and then I designed it to have snowflakes on it because these lids are little snowflakes, and so the babies can pick up the lids and then just drop them down into the box. And this is really good building for fine motor skills because they have to grab the lids and they also have to find the hole to be able to put it into. And this is super easy to make. You can make it with any cardboard box, like I said. You don't even have to wrap it if you don't want to. You can use any kind of flat piece like this. You can use old lids. You can use you can make your own out of cardboard if you have lots of boxes, because I know we're getting lots of deliveries. So if you want to do anything like that, it's definitely a good way to reuse some of the cardboard and things just lying around the house. And so for our second fine motor skill, also uses things around the house, and it helps keep your toys clean. So this is a wash bin that you can put any kind of like hard plastic toys into, cars, Legos, anything like that. And I just filled it full of dish soap and water to make it all bubbly and fun. And then I have some toothbrushes here that you can get at the dollar store, and you can just have the kids wash it. And I know it sounds like it wouldn't be that fun, but the kids here love it. So it's definitely a good way to maybe wash the toys as they're using them, and it's a great sensory play because of all the bubbles in the water. So next is our sensory board. So I made this whole sensory board for under $20. I got most of the things from Dollar Tree, but you could really use things at home. If you have pets, you can use, like this is a cat toy, or you can use, like this is a car washing glove. There's all kinds of things that you can put on a sensory board. Most of the things are hot glued on here, but it's really just about fun things that feel differently, and it gives them lots of things to do. Like they can twist, they can put in the lock, which is another fine motor skill. Anything like that is very easy to do, and you can make your own. And though I used a piece of plywood for this board, you do not have to do that. This one is actually made out of a piece of cardboard. So it's another way of recycling, and this just has that sequin material, so this is good sensory stuff as well. And so you could put a piece of that, and we just got the cloth from a craft store, so you could easily order it online or anything like that. So this is definitely a fun way to engage them with their senses, and babies at this age really learn through their senses and learn through grasping and things like that. So it's very good to have things like this around the house, and it keeps them occupied. So thank you so much for joining us for DIY Suffolk Public Library today.